Yes, Digital Product Family. We're back with another one, a Christmas one, a bundle one. Nah, it's not a bundle one. I hope you guys are well, guys. Are you guys awake? Are you ready, guys? I'm awake. I'm ready for this. I got some absolute bangers for you today. This is a Christmas one. I've got some top digital product Christmas listings that I want to show you, give you some great ideas that you could do, some listings for your own store that are really, really cool, make some fantastic money. And I'll even show you why they make some fantastic money and how you could actually do something similar in your own stores. So, look, holiday seasons, Christmas, Halloween, these are fantastic opportunities to make that fantastic money in the digital product world. You got to get on this if you're not. You got to make sure you got those sections in your store ready for those seasonal times, because this is the time where you will make some massive amount of money. And this is where your store will start, the algorithm will start favoring you once you start getting on this. So before I get going with this, if you love digital products, you love creating, selling, researching, and all of that mad stuff, and even if you don't love researching, I'll do that for you, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell real quick. And don't forget to share, because you know what we do over here, lads, ladies, and gentlemen. We like to share. That's my Cockney accent. Know what I mean? Anyways, let's get going with this. Let's get going. Anyway, we got one here. Look at this one. Doodle. It's called a Christmas monogram letters. Sorry, let me just go back to my normal voice. Christmas monogram. This one's a beast, guys. It's an absolute cracker-lacking beast. It's a bestseller. Boom. 20 in a basket. Boom. Right? It does have a sale on it, so you got to take that into account. Boom. But check it out. Look, I've done videos before, and I'm telling you something. These doodle letters, they are loved. They are loved by people. You know why? Because they're versatile. Check it out. You can put that on a t-shirt, right? You can put that on a card. You can put it kind of anywhere. Look at that. It looks beautiful. Look at that, right? These things look so nice, and people love them to bits. And they're the simplest thing, right? But people love it. I'm telling you now. The Halloween one, I did a video, I think, on it. And look at this. Check this out. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Check the money on this. It's very, very decent for something so simple. And it is a simple doodle design to do. I'm telling you. It's got simple pattern. You got almost like a tartan pattern. You got the Santa Claus there. You got the snowman. You got the Christmas trees, stockings. It's just that Christmas theme, right? It's a 1 month listing, guys. 1 month listing. I love looking at one or 2 month listings, because it tells you so much. It tells you that they've hit the nail on the head, right? They've done something correct. The seller's done something right. Okay, whether it be getting those combination of the keywords on the title, lovely, and then getting those images on the side that are just sliding on the side, those mock-ups. Look at the mock-ups there, beautiful. $2,386. Boom, right? It is on a sale right now, so you got to take that into account. But for something to sell 120 of these in 1 month, right? They're doing something right. And you know me, I'm an analyst, right? I don't take things like, I need to look deep into things. Now, I know for a fact why this is doing so well, because there's a specific demand. And look, they've actually hit some really good things on their title, right? They're smart, right? They know what they're doing. Check this out. Look at the tags. Look at these tags, guys. Santa Claus PNG. Keyword score. There's a volume of 546 people searching this on a monthly basis, just typing in Santa Claus PNG. And there's a competition of 2,152. Now, those that know, that's a fantastic number. That means it's something that you can get into, right? Something that you can get into. The competition is not big, right? 250 score. Really cool. And then, see, look, and they've got that on their title, by the way. They've got Santa Claus on their title, right? So they've got it there. Doodle letters. Doodle letters are something that are searched. Doodle numbers also are something that are searched, right? There are numbers there for those things. So, they are hitting on certain things. And then on top of that, and then you've got obviously the monogram and other bits to it as well. So sublimation, they've also got sublimation font, the actual keyword sublimation font they've got. So what they're doing is they are maximizing, trying to get as many different, if you like, eyes on their product by using specific keywords, right? Anybody that knows with in terms of how to do their titles will know that what you do is you make sure that you include specific keywords that also are unsaturated, hopefully, or has less competition, if you like, so they're able to get eyes on the product, you know. Um, so yeah, I mean that's another thing. I mean, to be honest, if I click on the store as well, just very very quickly, I just want to see. I mean, their store is big, so they're also getting a lot of eyes through their store, because when you got repeat customers, people looking and seeing what they're doing. Oops, when you got repeat customers, um, yeah, their store's very big, so they're also getting eyes through their store. Okay, so that's a really big one as well. But you know, that's how it is. But like I said, it's got 11 reviews already so far, doing well in 1 month. You know what I mean? Not too shabby at all. I wonder if they got pictures already. They've even got images. Oh, that's from the probably other ones, from the other items. Anyways, that's the one. That's the first one on my list. Let's go to the next Christmas digital product idea. Like I said, I got like digital products from different niches. I just showed you like a clipper, if you like. I'm going to show you now wall art. I'm going to show you Tumblr and so forth, and also a digital paper. So stay with me, guys. There's a few different niches within the digital product niche I'm going to show you. Check this out. 19 at basket. Boom. It's a sale on it. Boom. This is like a bundle of 65 Christmas printables, right? Nice mock-ups, shows you exactly what they look like. They're just a bundle. And I think in a Christmas niche, if you're doing wall art, especially with wall art, you want to make sure that you stand out somehow. I mean, you know, a bundle, I think is very smart to do. A bundle, in this case, these printables are very smart, having 65 really nice images. They're a different array, different styles. So you got the written sort of style wall art, and then you got the images. So it's a nice little combination of Christmas wall art. Basically, they're catering for different tastes, which is smart, because look, when you're selling something, some people might not like the wording kind of style. Some people like the image style, watercolor images, reindeers, and so on. So it's catering for different tastes. It's a very smart way of selling. When you sell a bundle, try to cater for different people, right? Because that way you're more likely to get the sale, right? So check this out. How much is this making? So this is $33, but it's it's actually on a sale for $33. It's making 1,540, guys. For a printable wall art, that's pretty good in terms of, like, you know, the Christmas niche. It's not too bad. And it's one of the top ones in the Christmas wall art niche, by the way. Minimalist Christmas wall art. So it's hitting on a few things. Been around for 11 months, getting about 28 monthly sales. I mean, originally it cost $66. It's on a sale right now, so you got to take that into account. But that's pretty good. So if you're going to go into the wall art Christmas niche, then you do need to consider doing a bundle of different styles, different types, and do your research, like see what images people are looking for. Like in this case, you can see that they got reindeers, they got Christmas trees, they got really nice snow sort of backgrounds. They got a nice little array there. Actually, I'm quite impressed with it. So I think they've done something that works pretty well. Okay, that's your second Christmas idea, guys. Let's go to the third one now. Can't do a video without touching on tumblers, guys, right? Bestseller, boom, in demand, yes. So these are really nice Christmassy ideas. And I'll tell you one thing, I'm going to give you a little tip as well, right? It's really nice. You got your traditional looking ones with snowmen, you got Christmas trees, Santa, you know, clothing. It's nice, you know, but they've also done little combinations, and I'll tell you what I mean by combinations. I'll just very quickly touch on it. So a combo is like, when I talk about combinations, it's like they try and touch on things that people like anyway. So you got this kind of leopard print, if you like, background. People like the leopard print sort of style So when you do something, you do a combination sometimes. Look, you got this kind of people like skulls as well. This kind of skull. You got a skull with a Santa hat on. So these are like, and you got these gnomes as well. People like gnomes. So you do a combo. You might even go further with your combination. So what I mean by further is that you might do other things that are popular, like, I don't know, it could be like sunflowers combined. You might do a Highland cow combined with a Santa hat, and we've seen that before actually, and that works really well. It actually sells very well. So what you do is you don't just keep it on a Christmas theme. You might want to combine it with other things that people actually like within the Tumblr niche that people search for. Like you see here, they did a leopard print sort of style, which was nice because people do look for prints like that, zebra prints, leopard prints, and so forth. So you want to combine. If you're going to do a Christmas Tumblr, you want to give them options. Don't forget, this is a mega bundle. People search for mega bundles, right? And you can like with their keywords as well, just making sure they're including specific things, which they're doing. These guys are smart. They're doing this. Look, I'll give you a very prime example. A very good keyword at the bottom here. You can see it. It's got Christmas Tumblr bundle, right? They've used it in their title as well. It's got fantastic keyword score. So they know what they're doing. So basically, they're going into something where they're going to be able to get eyes on their product because people specifically will look for that, and it's a good amount of volume. So they've gone into this sort of keyword because they know that they can get eyes on their product, right? It's not saturated. So that's pretty good. So that's what you need to do. You need to go on things that people are searching for and hopefully add your keywords on the title, that there's a good amount of volume, and that hopefully it's not saturated. That's what you need to do. So that's what I would suggest. Think about how, if you're going to do a Christmas Tumblr, do a bundle for sure. Do quite a bit. How many designs has this one got? 32 Christmas mega bundle, and it says 11 free Tumblr designs. So yeah, so really you're looking at 43. They got 43 there. I'll definitely do something like 100. I'll do a combination. I'll add all the things that people look for in Christmas. In Christmas, got Santa, you got the snowman, you got the trees and so on. But also I'd combine it with things that people look for. Like it could be the sunflower thing, it could be the prints thing, leopard prints. It could be I would add Highland cow sort of idea. You got the skulls there, which was good. You might even combine it with professions. Nurses also really like buying tumblers, and there are specific Tumblr nurses. I've done a video on it where where nurses, teachers as well, they love tumblers. But if you combine it with a Christmas sort of angle to it, that's really cool as well, because not many people are doing that. So teacher Christmas sort of theme, really cool. Nurse theme, Christmassy, really cool. So remember, you got to stand out on Etsy. There's a lot of competition. So what you want to do is you want to find those little angles, but basically touch on things that people searching for anyway. So you can't go wrong. Did we actually see how much this thing's making? Right, check this out. It's an 11-month listing. It's made 167 sales. 167 sales this month, which is pretty good. 4,342. That is really, really cool, guys. I mean, yes, it is on a big sale right now, so you got to take that into account, right, in terms of the money. But if it wasn't on a sale, if it was not on a sale, it would be getting 4,342, which is absolutely fabulous. Fabulousy. Amazing. Like, check this out, guys. Boom. We're on digital paper now. Check it out. We got a big pack. Well, actually, it's not that big. It's 100, was it 120, 130 plus bundle digital paper. Now, I touched on this one. I know you're going to be looking at it thinking, look, but there's all kinds of Halloween. And yeah, it's a sort of a holiday season bundle, which has Halloween, but also got a lot of Christmas digital paper, right? This is digital paper designs, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah. I think it's pretty good. I think that is the way to sell digital paper, is to be able to combine these different times. You got these seasons, like these holidays like Christmas, Halloween. This is the way to sell digital paper. That's the way to get eyes on it, right? Because in this sense, you can touch on a few different items, and that's what people want. People want, and especially digital paper, I think people want to be able to do that. When I look at the estimated monthly revenue on this, it's 794. So 1 month listing, guys. The seller's doing something cool. So I like what they're doing. So hat off to them. Yeah. So this is what I'm saying. You got to, with digital paper, you got to make it a combo thing. You got to put a lot of different paper styles. I do like some of the paper though. Look, you got this, which is the really nice, cool, interesting digital paper designs. Actually, they're very nice. But you know, with digital paper, if you're going to stand out, and this is a 1 month listing, so guys, they're doing something. They're doing something good. And this is what I'm saying. You look at sometimes you look at the recent ones that have come into the game, and this is how you kind of can see how they're doing. I'm just going to touch on quickly their store, and look at this, guys. Look, this is an absolute amazing bit of insight. I love insight, and this seller is very new. Okay, how do I know it's very new? Look, it's only got 275 sales, guys. I tell you that this seller is very new to the game. All right, check it out. Was it 3 month old? 3 months they've been in the game. Let's just check this out, because I'll tell you one thing, man. This tells you so much. For someone to come in quite early and to be able to hit that mark of selling, you know, they know what they're doing. They've done something very smart. So, like I said, what is it? A 3-4 month old store in terms of yeah, 3 months old. 3 months old, people. Check it out. 3 month old store. And in the digital paper, those of you that know, digital paper ain't the easiest thing. Look, they're hitting 794 on that holiday one that I showed you. Actually, funny enough, and they're making 627 on this other type of digital paper as well, which is really cool. So this seller, well done. My hat off to you. My hat off to you. You're doing a fantastic job, right? Well done. New store, smashing it, right? I want to leave it there, guys, because I think that's a really good thing to end it on. Fantastic thing to end it on. Look at this. 98 listings are amazing. Really cool. Anyway, guys, hope you liked the video. Looking at those fantastic top Christmas digital product listings, some ideas that you could think about. Hope you liked the video. Check the videos that come next. I got another Christmas video. I got another one. Check it out. Also, check out the links in my description. Check out Everbee, my SEO software that I use to analyze everything. Check out all the links in my description, guys. And guys, as usual, I shall see you on the next video. Take care.